Sige. Ayan. Akit kami sa overpass. Ay, kasi nandun sa kabila. Yeah, nandun sa kabila yung pumuntahan namin. So, dito lang kami sa top. So, ayan. Wow, bababa kami ulit. So, ayan, nandito lang kami. Sa entrance. So, ayan. Pasok na kami. Thank you po. Guys, ang ganda pala dito. As in. So, ayan. Daming magaganda dito. So, ganito palaki. Napaka-relaxing yung place. So, marami din siyang namamasyal. Oh, nice. Tara na, tara na. Ayan, tayo natulog, guys. Guys, punta kami ngayon sa bird. Hindi siya chicken. Uy, nausab ka. Uy. Ang bird na yan is, ayan, oh. Rufous hornbill.
No, it's Rufus. Oh, no. My school. Please don't come on.
Look, Dad. Oh, sige na. Okay. Ah! So, ayan, pupunta kami ngayon sa side ni ayan. Raptors, mammals, and reptiles. So, ayan ang kita nyo, guys. So, yan ang pupuntahan namin. So,
Mga dinosaur.
dinosaur, wow!
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Sleepy. Look! Oh! Okay, give me. Ma! It's moving! It's moving! Oh, crocodile! Crocodile! Yay! Yay! Ay, saan? Saan? Crocodile. Little crocodile is here. Hey, sakay the crocodile.
Ano meron siya? Meron silang fruit. Yeah. Hindi pa natin natapos lahat. Ano meron? Oh, there's a bit. Bird. Hi, bird.
Hi, Mr. Bird.
See?
Hello, Mr. Bird.
Wala kayo niya. 90s.
Look there. There, look there. Snake, trees. Oh, lizard.
Yeah, it's not
Giant scale. Look that.
giant lizard. I know, parang What is that? Palawan Versa? Where is that? Bababa na kami. Bababa kami sa may fish pond. Fish pond siguro talaga siya. So, I don't know kung meron siyang fish. No, there's no crocodile there. Paano kung mayroon crocodile there? No. Yes, kasi yun. So, ayan. Puntahan namin yun doon. Ayan, pupunta kami doon.
Look, stick is set. Look, is that Steve? Bro. Look at stick and set. Look, stick and set.
We're going down.
Ooh, it should be pop, pop, pop.
Let's go. Wait for a while. There's some.
Oh, look.
We're going down there.
Where's the
Oh,
Wow.
there's a wedding